Now let's take a look at our USDJPY. Before you actually get started, if you are new, do not forget to subscribe, like and share if you find this video helpful. We can take a look at our USDJPY. It has actually, giving us a bullish move or the long-term trend. We are actually bullish and uptrend move on our USDJPY, but we actually saw something around here whereby our JPY serves as a resistance level here, and it came down. It also went bullish and also came down, and after that we saw a breakout, which means that once we have a breakout of any key level, we will be waiting for a pullback. And guess what? Our USDJPY came to tap that level where we once had a resistance move, which was at least a double top, right? So we now had that bullish move upward, and now our price has actually dropped again to hit this our level, now serving as our support. Previously it was our resistance level, but it broke out and now serving as our support level. Now as it is now on our support level, we are now starting to have an uptrend move on our USDJPY. We can see the higher highs, the higher lows, a retracement or a pullback, or correction move. We saw another impulse move upward, right? We would very much, I think we should be considering this as a retracement. You can see it. This was our previous higher highs here. This was our previous higher highs here, and we saw this retracement coming to tap it, and now we are starting to go bullish. If you are to see it on our 4-hour time frame, you will see where our price came, pull back to tap this hour level, and now we are starting to go bullish, and very much likely for the day we would go bullish. The reason why I say that is that if you are to see it on our USD index, we are actually going bullish on our USD index. We can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We are now waiting for another higher highs on our USD index. So once we start having that bullish move on our USD index, then we will be seeing that bullish move on our USDJPY. So just watch our USD index and USDJPY. The problem is here is when to actually take our buy put, when to actually take the trade, or take the buy. So we just can't really predict when it will start giving us that bullish move, but sooner or later we will start having that bullish move. Now let's take a look at our JPY index. You can see it on our let's start with daily time frame. We are actually on a lower, our price is actually falling. You can see the lower lows here, you can see the lower highs, another lower lows here. We'll be very much getting this lower highs anytime soon, which will not have that much movement, at least which will be about 40 pips. Once we have that retracement, which would be about 40 pips to our previous lower lows, then we will be seeing a drop. And once we start having that drop on our JPY, then very much likely we would start seeing that bullish move on our USD index, because anytime soon our USD index will start giving us that bullish move. And once we start it, then we'll very much likely see a bullish move on our USDJPY. Now take a look at our 4-hour time frame, right? We can also see the pullback as we've just we discussed previously. You can see the pullback here. So this our key level here. You can see our key level was this area here. You can see the pullback, and now we are starting to have that bullish move, by the way, on our 4-hour time frame. Like I just predicted, we will very much likely go bullish on our USD JPY, which will be very massive bullish move anytime soon would be happening, so watch out for it.